Want to get an invoice on Amazon app? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, launch open the Amazon shopping app on your device. If you do not have this app, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Now log into your account. Now you want to tap on the person icon at the bottom of your screen. This will take you to your account. Next, you want to select the option of orders at the top left. Select that. Now you want to find the order you need the invoice for. You can scroll through recent orders or use the search bar to quickly locate it. Once you open the order, scroll down to order info and tap view order details. At the top of the page, select view invoice. Here you'll see the full invoice of your order. If you want a physical copy, tap print this page to save or print it for your records. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.